Hello loves, so today I'll be reviewing Huxley's Deep Cleansing Duo. First up is Huxley's Cleansing Oil, Deep Clean, Deep Moist. This promises to cleanse and remove sunscreen, foundation, and even hard to take off lip and eye makeup, all while retaining moisture in the skin thanks to its lightweight blend of non-comedogenic oils, including Huxley's favorite signature ingredient, prickly pear seed oil, as well as annatto oil, calendula oil, and sea buckthorn oil, all of which come with their own unique properties. After this oil cleanser, you follow up with Huxley's Cleansing Foam, Deep Clean, Deep Moist. This is meant for oily to combination sensitive skin. It contains a surfactant from coconut that cleanses without being drying, and also contains clay, which helps to draw out any dirt or impurities from the skin. In addition to prickly pear seed oil, it contains a host of ingredients to soothe, smooth, and hydrate the skin. To test these cleansers out, I needed to put on some heavy makeup, so I came up with this look. Let's remember that I am not a makeup artist, I'm just a girl who likes makeup. Now that I put it all on, it's time to take it all off. The instructions say to apply the oil onto a dry face with dry hands, and to massage in a circular motion. You can see this immediately start to melt off the makeup. You can see that it is gentle on the eyes, so I can focus on removing the mascara, eyeshadow, liner, and even the glitter. And it had no problem taking care of this liquid lipstick. Be sure to massage for 60 seconds using just your fingertips. Some people recommend to just use the ring fingers as they have the weakest pressure. And don't forget the neck area. Then add a little water to emulsify the oil into a cleansing milk before rinsing off with lukewarm water. After the oil cleanse, you can see that 99% of the makeup has been removed, except for a little bit of the heavily pigmented eyeshadow. But for everyday makeup, this cleanses like a charm. Immediately after, you lather the cleansing foam with a little bit of water and follow the same tips as before. So who needs to double cleanse anyways? If you wear makeup or sunscreen, the latter of which you really should be doing, then double cleansing will give you a more thorough cleanse. And if you have oily skin and are worried about using an oil cleanser, don't be. It helps remove excess oil without leaving your skin tight and dry. I will say that this one stings the eyes much more in comparison to the oil cleanser, so please be mindful of that and don't get it into your eyes like I did. After this foam cleanser, my skin doesn't feel as dry like it does with other cleansers of the same type. After I rinse off the cleansing foam, instead of drying my face, I immediately apply toner and my other skincare steps to keep my skin hydrated. And there you go, my skin is completely makeup free and looking healthy and happy. If you're looking for a good double cleansing routine, then I would 100% recommend this duo for you to try. And that's it for now. So if you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to keep up with Beauty Bop.